Business, clothes business. How to start a successful clothing business. Hey! Are you dreaming to multiply your revenues by establishing a successful fashion clothing business, clothing manufacturing business? Are you passionate enough to build your entrepreneur-like identity with the business? Do you have the managerial skills to take it right on the ways to achieve grooming success? The article will explain all the needful angles with sufficient explanation on every single aspect of this evergreen business trend. The business setup requires much more than the initial entrepreneur's mindset. Instead of concentrating only on the business funds and the latest clothing collection, it is important to focus on a set of criteria. These include a strong dedication to take it forward without fail. Moreover, it is crucial to focus on the management aspects including time management, resource management, and manpower management. Most importantly, it is desirable to stick with a particular niche at the initial establishment stages. You can spread the wings, but it is advisable to implement the strategy after building the brand's identity. Let the people recognize your brand assuming the specific apparel category. Keep on working with successful marketing strategies, establish your online identity, and spread your business on social media platforms. Requirements to start the fashion clothing business. Cloth manufacturing business is a trader and wholesaler. Number 1. Business niche decision. Before you go further, it is very important to decide the niche of your clothing business. Stick to any particular niche such as ladies' outfits, men's shirts, school uniforms, kids' apparel, or something other. On this basis, you can move ahead by establishing an online identity. Let the people recognize your brand via social media visibility. Let your apparels exist on the renowned e-commerce platforms for getting frequent orders. Develop your e-commerce presence and grab the other niches as time passes. Number 2. Decide on a business budget. It is advisable to prepare an investment budget and act accordingly. Also, make up your mind about the fluctuations in the fashion industry. Try to be a little flexible on the investment issues. You never know the appropriate pricing for the clothing materials and the manufacturing costs. Instead, the round figure budget will empower you to invest in purchasing, designing, manufacturing, distribution, and other expenses. Go on moving your ways and think creatively before investing. Number 3. Organizing the clothing business store. Either you are running an offline or an online clothing store, appropriately organizing the store plays a vital role. A sole proprietorship is the easiest and super convenient mode of business marketing. Without the occurrence of any strong legal intervention, you are on the go. Move forward with the needful documentation process and let the government know that you are new to this self-generated business. The arrangement of the products inside the store attracts the visitor's attention. Try to showcase your collection by putting them in the top rows. Tag the products and assist the visitors to buy them with the needful suggestion of the employed store staff. While taking the business online, try to put your presence on all the available social media platforms. Create your business fan page on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Implement the relevant SEO processes for the best visibility of your website and social media presence. Number 4. Product development processes. The design creation aspect is one of the vital stages in taking the business to the sky of success. Try to prepare the design with the already working creative team of staff. Try to prioritize the creative mindset for long-term success. Implement the technological aspects in the design process for initiating the developmental scenario of the product. Number 5. Creating brand value. This step is the most vital requirement for taking the fashion clothing business to the next level. Based on the manufacturing, design, and distribution, initiate choosing the best brand name. Try to globalize the brand name with the production process in all the social media platforms. Keep on investing in advertising campaigns to let more and more people recognize your brand and initiate a trusted purchase. Number 6. Product success test and feedback. After putting forward the best efforts, always prioritize conducting market research and product analysis campaign. This will let you understand the success rates of the products in the audience. Even, You will come to know the points of improvement for much better sales and product demand. Number 7. Market promotion and scale-up procedure. The process of redefining the product before initiating a complete sales process is the best product success strategy. Implement the steps including price tagging, online store creation, product packaging, product distribution, and shipment, etc. Also, provide the best vouchers and offers to the customers for promoting product sales. To sum up, proceed towards appointing the best sales personnel for promoting the sales process. You should never hesitate in the concerned investment process to promote business sales and revenue. Overall, you must learn to integrate the resources with the best dedication to achieving success. Number 8. Best supplier names for initiating the wholesale purchase. Some of the brand names for purchasing the clothing materials in wholesale and bulk rates are as follows: India Mart, Wholesale Box, Textile Export, WholesaleDunia.com, Garmito, Shop 4 Shops, China Brands, WholesaleMantra.com, Alibaba.com, and several others. Number 9. Fashion garments. Fashion garment relates to the clothing accent redefining the fashion as per the ongoing trends. This works out differently for the different apparel categories including men, women, kids, and all the others. Design is the most versatile aspect of the fashion garments to make them look appealing among the gathering. Some of the renowned names under the category of fashion garments include the following: DKNY, Pepe Jeans, BVLGARI, Boss, Prada, Chanel, Moschino, Jupe, Giorgio Armani, Escada, Chol, and several others. To know more about it, please visit www.stitchingbizna.com. Thank you for watching.